In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change template in Squarespace. If you're looking to give your website a fresh new look, Squarespace makes it simple to switch templates and customize your design. Whether you're rebranding, updating your site style, or just exploring new creative options, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And if you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to look for your account profile. You can find this in the lower left corner of your Squarespace screen. Clicking on your profile will open up a panel that displays all the templates or websites linked to your account. This is where you can manage everything connected to your Squarespace account. Next, select the website you want to update. Simply click on the site you'd like to modify, and this will take you to its back end. This step ensures that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites under the same account. Once you're in the back end, look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This will allow you to enter Squarespace's editing mode. Keep in mind that if you're doing this for the first time, the page might take a moment to load. Don't worry, just give it a little time and it'll be ready to go. Now that you're in editing mode, locate the Styles option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This section is where the magic happens. It gives you access to a variety of themes and customization options that can completely transform the look and feel of your website. From here, you'll want to scroll through the list of available themes. Take your time to preview the designs and explore your options. Each theme has its own unique style and layout, so it's worth browsing carefully to find one that aligns with your vision for the site. When you've found the perfect new theme, click to apply it to your site. This is where your website's transformation begins. Once the new theme is applied, it's time to make it your own. Start by customizing the font settings within the theme. Fonts play a huge role in how your website feels, whether you want it to come across as professional, creative, or playful. The right font can help convey the personality of your site. After that, adjust the color settings. You can customize the background text and accent colors to perfectly match your brand or the mood you want to create. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations until you find the right fit. Remember, mixing and matching colors can refresh your site's look and make it more engaging. Next, personalize the buttons on your site. Buttons are an essential part of guiding your visitors toward taking action. Whether that's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or exploring more of your content, make sure they stand out and align with the overall design. Now, if you've gone through the available themes and feel like none of them quite meet your needs, don't worry. Squarespace offers the flexibility to create a new site from scratch. This is a great option if you have a unique vision that doesn't fit into any of the pre-designed themes. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Squarespace template, customize your fonts, colors, and buttons, and even start fresh if needed. With these tools, updating your website's design is easy and fun, and you can keep your site looking modern and aligned with your goals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.